Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're back in Trailmakers, and today I will be showing you how to make a fast boat. And I'm trying to make a very fast boat a few months ago, and it goes relatively fast, but I just think that I can do better. So my old boat, it was like weird. It doesn't look that great. It is this one. And if you look at my channel, you just scroll down, you could see I make a video about this boat. And it goes kind of fast, but I just really think that I can do a lot better. And which will try to do in this video. And it's not gonna look that great, but I just wanted to make it so that it is very fast and maneuverable. First off, I am gonna start with some blocks. I don't know why. I could just use some of those floaty things. I think it is these ones right here. It looks kind of big, so I don't really want to use it. And it's kind of doesn't look good. If you use these, you could shape it a lot easier. For example, look at these corners here. The aerodynamics, very bad. If you just slap some wedge down, it goes green, and that's gonna make you go faster. This boat's not gonna be that wide, it's gonna be pretty skinny. And I am gonna make the middle hollow, because for lightweight, and makes it a little bit just so that I have more room to work with these floaty things. I'm using these smaller ones on the side, and I'm gonna put some big ones on the middle. Like so. And I wanted to extend it just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 blocks now. And I am gonna use this big one. And now I just realized I don't have room. So I have to make a second layer of it, or maybe somehow delete these and put bigger ones. I know it's gonna look weird, but I hope that's gonna be better. Or maybe faster. Just cover it all up. And the front will still be look like this. And put some wedge. Like so. And maybe fill all of these up, not really a good idea. So gonna put some floaty things. What are these called? Pontoon. Pontoon. Okay. You just slap them down, you can see get rid of the red arrows. Small boat, gonna be a small boat and a weird boat. But it will be fine, maybe. And now the head is basically done now. It's gonna be very thin because it gives you more speed. And on the back you can see it's all open. These are for the engines. If you go to engines, there's these underwater propeller, and these give you some speed, and gonna put a lot in there. Now I think I am gonna use this lightweight stuff for these. Just like so. Now I fill all of that in just because I want to get rid of the aerodynamics, and I believe that there's gonna be a lot of fine and tuning things that I have to do just because I know it. There's no way that this thing will work straight away, and now I need a seat. I forgot a seat. I don't really know what seat is good for this. Go-kart seat. Nah, I'm gonna use this one. I am just gonna flip it because the aerodynamics isn't looking that great. I came and put a block there, so gonna deal with that. But anyway, does it float? It goes really fast, and it doesn't really float on the back. Need more pontoons. Maybe I am. Okay, got an idea. Gonna put bigger ones. I know that aerodynamic doesn't really look good, but now check that out. Looks good now. And these propellers. Now they're all green. Except for that one. There's not much way to do that one. And now it floats pretty good. Let's see how fast it goes. Now I have this skipping dolphin thing, weird stuff. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You have to fine and tune all of this so that it doesn't do weird stuff. Usually when that happens, I just put tail fins, and it sometimes works. Sometimes I just make it worse. Hopefully that this will solve the issue. Gonna put bigger ones on the back. You notice that I didn't put turning just yet because I am gonna make it go fast and then think how to turn. It's a little bit better. I think I need more fins. There we go, and it doesn't get rid of that red arrow, so you know what? I am just gonna. Oh, that's weird. Okay. Let's just test it how fast it goes. And now it goes down for whatever reason. Too heavy on the front. makes that a little bit floaty on the front. I put the weight back just a little bit. So by moving the seat back and the pontoon on the front, that gives you more buoyancy. Why won't you work? Disable air control. I don't really see the problem. It's slow. It still dips down, and I don't know why is that happening. Yep, it starts to dip down, and you can't really do that much when you are underwater. And you see that? See when it pop up? Maybe we just need one fin. That's a little bit better. But I want it to be stays in the water, not skim across like this. And I think I could do that just by putting some weight. I don't know how that's gonna help, but sometimes it does. And I tried it before. It kind of just makes it a lot stable. And it's gonna go a little bit slower, but if it's stable, it might be good. That makes it worse. It's pretty weird. Maybe if I move these two back. There we go. It's a bit better. Maybe not. What if I put stabilization this way? Now that's doing that weird thing. Weird. Now it's less buoyant on the front. Oh, I see. I see the problem. So the problem is that these propellers are pushing on the back, which is trying to push it like backwards, doing a backflip. And if I put it on the front, that's gonna make it better, maybe. So what I gonna do, delete that, and turns this to be the front, and I don't know how to do that yet. You see, now the problem is how do I turn? You know what, we're gonna worry about that later, and let's just worry about how to make it go fast first, and then we're gonna make it better. That looks good. No, then it's fine. It's fine. Just make it a nose on the front. give it a nose like that. And this time I am gonna put the seat on the front. And the aerodynamics doesn't look too bad. There we go. Like that. And now I think I could just use these lightweight things to extend the back. Like so. I know it's gonna look weird, but I think this is the way to do it. This one. It's only a prototype. We're just gonna do that just for now. And now you see it doesn't have the bouncing issue, which is great. And it goes 100 miles per hour. Don't like it. Make it more aerodynamics. I see the solution. See, I don't need all of these nonsense. Just move that. Now it should go faster. It goes slower. Oh, because these flat spots. No red. Some bad aerodynamics here. Gonna change that. Like so. This should go faster. It does not. Okay, more power. More power. Maybe it's a bad idea to move them up. Now it dips down. Disable air control. And need more pontoon on the front. Or maybe shed some weight. Just by moving these front a bit, that's gonna make it more floaty and not changing the weight. Just gonna delete some of these supporting things and delete the ones that I don't need So that might help us just a little bit. What is not attached? Now these are not attached. There we go. Now it's attached. It goes 97. Isn't that bad, but don't like it. Need more. I think the keys is just more power. More power. And now it's telling me that here's not aerodynamic. There we go, just fill that in. Feels a bit better now. Yes. 120 miles per hour, that feels So much better. Now you gotta figure out how to turn this stupid thing. Easiest thing to do, you just put a one of these things and put a steering hinge, and then last part is to put a fin here that's gonna be in 80. Gonna change the settings, make it better, 50 degrees. Steering help 50. There we go. It's on the opposite direction. Just gotta reverse it, like so. There we go. Yep, still 100 miles. Now it turns. Look at that. Now it turns. I made a 100 miles per hour boat-ish that turns at high speed. I know there's a lot more ways to make it go a lot faster by using glitches, but this is my way to make stuff go faster, which is put more power. This is my fastest boat that I ever made. And if you like this kind of video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and tell me what you like to see in the next video. And bye.